So on this wing we house second grade, first grade, and fifth grade classrooms. And these classrooms, the size of all of the classrooms on this floor are 900 square feet. And modern day size classrooms are much larger and equipped with, some more technology. This actually right here, believe it or not, begins the new addition of the Sheehan School, which was built in 1968. Right now I have 318 students. When I started 10 years ago, I had 390. So we have 18 general education classrooms, 4 special education classrooms, as well as 7 special education pull-out classrooms. So this class and that class, these are my first grade classrooms. This is my speech pathologist's office. So if you take a look at these classrooms, right, they look like a nice size. But they're about 900 square feet, but modern day classrooms in some of the newer buildings that are built throughout the state are much larger. And so this here is an office and a pull-out space. It is shared by 2 educators, our science coordinator as well as one of my literacy specialists. So sometimes we have small groups of students here working on literacy, and our science coordinator, this is her office and storage space as well. These tiles our 5th graders make every year at the end of the year, and it's a memory of their time here at Sheehan. So in here is our cafeteria. This is our stage. Our music classes are also held on the stage, and during the lunch hours, the music classes have class in the classrooms. So this school was named after William Sheehan. He was a member of the Westwood Police Department who gave his life in the line of duty. So we have 3 sections of every grade, and the only grade that is separated is 3rd grade, and that's just due to space. So here are my 3rd grade classrooms, and these are smaller. These are smaller classrooms. In here is our library. Years ago, this used to be our gymnasium, but it also houses 5 different special education pull-out spaces. And we've actually created these rooms. This was all part of the gymnasium at one time, and then it became our library. But due to the fact that we needed spaces for pull-out literacy work as well as special education services, we made these spaces by putting up walls, etc. This is our teacher workspace, and as you see, there's no natural light in this room, which is a requirement for a classroom. This is our math specialist office as well as a math specialist pull-out space. Students receive math specialist services in here. We actually just installed that air conditioning unit because the heat can be excessive in this part of the building. We have 1 new boiler and 1 old boiler, over 20 years old. The unfortunate thing about the inconsistency with our heating system is that because it's so hot up here, the teachers are opening their windows or turning on the AC units to cool it down, to kind of offset the high temperatures. Students are using the hallway as workspace because of lack of space in the classrooms.